Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your Earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2. You have to start by open Nothing application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I am. Now scroll down and you need to find controls and tap on it, and let's work with it. So, let's get started with a left earbud. By default, for the double tap, it play next track, and you can tap on it and select something else, but I think I will leave it for the left earbud. For the triple tap, we have to play previous track, and I also like it, but you can select something else. Now press and hold. We have noise control, and I recommend it to leave it because we can add noise control only for the press and hold. So I think you will like this mod. And next we have double press and hold, and I'm going to call voice assistant, so I'm just tap on it. But we can also add volume down, and I guess volume down is the better one because we can't add volume control for another gesture. So I'm going to volume down. Now let's go to the right one with a double tap. I want to play pause the song, so I press on it. But you can, as always, set something else. For the triple tap, I wanna call voice assistant and press and hold. You can set or noise control or voice assistant. I'm leave only noise control, but we can also add voice assistant and double press and hold volume up. Now let's move to the charging case. Tap on it, and right here we have a button, so we can add these features to this button. For the single press, I wanna play or pause the song. For the double press, I wanna play next track. For the triple tap, I wanna play previous track. For the press and hold, again, I recommend it to set noise control, but you can also set game mode right here. So if you use it, if you play on it, you can select it here or something else, but I'm going with ANC. And for rotate, we can set only volume control, so I will set it. Now we finish it, but if you don't like what you made, you can return to factory settings, and you need to only click at the reset at the right top. Let's make it reset and then reset, and as you can see right here we have it all by default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!